basic differentiation rules. So, yung rule number 1, the derivative of a constant is equal to 0. So, for example, derivative ng 4 equal to 0. So, yung derivative ng negative 3, 0 din yan. Kahit yung fraction, no? Derivative ng 2/3, 0. Basta yung constant mo, no? Walang kasamang variable yan, no? Constant. Ang derivative niyan ay 0. Ang tawag dyan ay constant rule. Okay? So, rule number 2. Derivative of a function with respect to itself is equal to 1. So, example nga, yung x. Derivative ng x with respect to x, ang sagot dyan ay 1. So, pag nakita nyo naman yung theta, no? Derivative ng theta with respect to theta, magiging sagot mo dyan ay 1. So, ang tawag dyan ay identity rule. Okay? So, rule number 3. The derivative of the algebraic sum of several functions is equal to the sum of their derivatives. Okay? So, derivative of u plus v with respect to x is equal to du over dx plus dv over dx. Ang tawag sa rule na yan ay sum rule. So, mamaya magbibigay tayo ng example dyan. Rule number 4. The derivative of the product of two functions is equal to the first times the derivative of the second plus second times the derivative of the first. So, derivative of u times v is equal to u dv plus v du. So, ang tawag sa rule na yan ay product rule. Okay? So, rule number 5. The derivative of a constant times a function equals the constant times the derivative of the function. So, ang tawag sa rule na yan ay constant multiple rule. Mamaya may mga example tayo dyan. So, rule number 6. The derivative of a quotient of two function is equal to the denominator times the derivative of the numerator minus the numerator times the derivative of the denominator, all divided by the square of the denominator. So, derivative ng u over v is equal to v du minus u dv over b squared. So, ang tawag sa rule na yan ay quotient rule. Okay? So, rule number 7. The derivative of a constant divided by a function is equal to the negative constant times derivative of the function, all divided by the square of the function. Mapapansin nyo, parang may pagkakahawig siya dun sa rule number 6. Kaso yung numerator mo ay constant. Doon ay function, no? So, parang natanggal lang itong u o yung function sa numerator. Kaya naging ganito. So, negative constant times dv over dx over b squared. Okay, rule number 8. The derivative of a function with a constant exponent is equal to the exponent times the function reduced in power by 1 times the derivative of the function. So, ang tawag sa rule na yan ay power rule. So, laging gamit yan, no? Gamit na gamit natin yan sa pagde-derive, no? Halos lahat, no? So, panghuli, sa rule number 9, the derivative of the square root of a function is equal to the derivative of the function divided by 2 times the square root of the function. So, mamaya magbibigay din tayo